The armed robbers were there for Abuja. That is where they supposed to invest. They don't invest on this thing. All the animals, criminals, don't want to where they do.
You don't interrupt this.